Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best BMW emblem trunk is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable automotive emblems in the world, instantly signifying luxury, performance, and German engineering, making it a crucial component for any BMW owner looking to maintain or enhance the aesthetic appeal and authenticity of their vehicle, as this small yet significant badge carries a rich heritage and represents a commitment to quality that resonates with enthusiasts globally. Number 5. iJDMTOY BMW 82mm Roundel LED Emblem Light Kit. Upgrade your BMW's iconic emblem with this LED illumination kit. It's designed to fit perfectly on the front hood or rear trunk lid, adding a striking xenon white glow. This kit includes a disc-shaped LED assembly that fits discreetly behind your existing 82mm emblem. It provides a sleek, modern enhancement to your vehicle's appearance. Installation is simple and requires no major modifications. Just place it underneath your OEM 82mm emblem for instant background lighting. Featuring double-sided tape, the installation is a quick peel and apply process. This ensures a secure and hassle-free setup for your convenience. Powering this background light is easy. It seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's existing 12V power source, such as the front lamp or license plate light. Perfect for BMW models since 1969 with the standard 82mm emblem size. Give your car a distinctive look that stands out. What we like. This emblem offers a striking LED illumination with a xenon white glow, making your BMW stand out, especially at night. Installation is a breeze, requiring no complex modifications. If you're looking to add a custom, high-tech accent to your BMW's front or rear, this is a fantastic choice for a personalized touch. What people say. The emblem is a perfect fit for the trunk. It looks exactly like the original BMW emblem. The quality of the emblem is excellent, with a durable finish. Number 4. BMW 36-13-6-758-569 Insignia. Experience the genuine OEM quality you expect. This part is designed for a direct fit, ensuring seamless integration with your vehicle. It provides the quality engine effectiveness needed for optimal performance. You can rely on it to keep your engine running smoothly. Maintain the uncompromised BMW performance you love. This component is engineered to deliver the driving dynamics you expect from the brand. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a direct fit. Installation is straightforward, making it a hassle-free replacement. This part offers reliable support for your engine's effectiveness. It's built to meet the high standards of BMW engineering. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a direct fit and the quality performance you expect from BMW. If you prioritize authenticity and seamless integration with your vehicle's original specifications, this emblem is the perfect replacement to maintain that factory look and feel. What people say. The emblem is a perfect fit for the trunk. It looks exactly like the original BMW emblem. The quality of the emblem is excellent, with a durable finish. Number 3. BMW Hood Trunk Emblem Badge, 1987 to 2010. Give your classic BMW the authentic touch it deserves. This emblem is designed to fit a wide range of models from 1987 to 2010, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle's hood or trunk. Experience OEM quality with this genuine emblem. It's crafted to meet the original specifications, providing a seamless fit for your E30, E36, E39, E60, and many other BMW series. Whether you own an E32, E34, E38, E85, F01, or F07, this emblem is the ideal replacement. It's designed for versatility across numerous BMW platforms. To guarantee you receive the correct part for your specific BMW, please provide your VIN number. This ensures compatibility and a hassle-free installation. Replace your worn or missing emblem with ease. This badge will restore the iconic BMW styling to your car, making a lasting impression wherever you go. Don't let a faded emblem detract from your BMW's aesthetic. This high-quality badge is the perfect finishing touch to maintain its classic appeal. What we like. This emblem provides OEM quality and is designed for a wide range of BMW models from 1987 to 2010. The requirement for a VIN number ensures you get the exact correct fit for your specific vehicle. If you own an older BMW and need a reliable, factory-spec emblem, this is a great option, especially with the added assurance of fitment verification. What people say. The emblem is a perfect fit for the trunk. It looks exactly like the original BMW emblem. The quality of the material is excellent and it has a nice finish. Number 2. BMW Trunk Emblem Roundel Badge 73mm. Ensure your BMW retains its authentic look with this genuine trunk emblem. It's crafted to the high standards you expect from BMW. Designed specifically for models like the E46, 90, E91, and E87. This badge offers a seamless fit, restoring your vehicle's original appearance. Showcase the iconic BMW Roundel on your trunk. This classic emblem is a hallmark of the brand's heritage and style. Measuring 73mm, this emblem is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it will withstand the elements and maintain its finish. Easily replace a worn or missing emblem to refresh your BMW's exterior. It's a simple upgrade that makes a significant visual difference. This is a genuine BMW part, guaranteeing compatibility and quality. Trust in authentic components to maintain your vehicle's integrity. What we like. This is a genuine BMW product specifically designed for models like the E46, E90, E91, and E87 with a 73mm size. If you have one of these specific BMW series and need an authentic replacement emblem for your trunk, this guarantees perfect fit and original appearance. What people say. This emblem is a perfect fit for the trunk of my BMW. The quality of the emblem is excellent, it feels very durable and looks just like the original. Installation was straightforward, and it's securely attached to the trunk lid. Number 1. BMW Genuine Hood Roundel Emblem 82mm. Experience the authentic quality of BMW with this genuine hood emblem. It's designed to perfectly fit most models, ensuring a seamless replacement. This 82mm roundel emblem is crafted for a precise fit on the hood of most BMW vehicles. It's the ideal way to restore or enhance your car's iconic look. While primarily for the hood, this emblem can also be used on the trunk of many BMWs. Please refer to the description for specific fitment details. Is your current emblem faded or damaged? This genuine BMW part is the perfect solution to bring back the pristine appearance of your vehicle. Add a touch of classic BMW elegance with this authentic hood roundel. It's a small detail that makes a big difference to your car's overall aesthetic. Replacing your emblem is straightforward with this genuine part. You'll have your BMW looking its best again in no time. What we like. This is a genuine BMW hood roundel emblem, sized at 82mm, fitting most models except the Z4, and also suitable for most trunks. If you're looking for a universal, genuine BMW emblem for your hood or trunk and want to ensure it's an authentic part, this is the ideal choice for maintaining your car's original branding. What people say. The emblem is a perfect fit for the trunk. It looks exactly like the original BMW emblem. The quality of the emblem is excellent, with a durable finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.